What if the biggest threat to your income isn't inflation, your boss, or the economy? What if it's sitting inside your phone right now? AI. You've probably heard that AI will make life easier. Faster work, better productivity, more opportunities. But there's another side nobody talks about. AI doesn't just replace tasks. It can replace the value of the person doing those tasks. And if you're earning money from a skill that AI can do faster, cheaper, and 24/7, you have a problem. But don't panic, because this video isn't about telling you that AI will steal your job. It's about showing you how to make sure AI doesn't steal your income. Think about this. A company has two employees. One employee does everything manually. The other employee knows how to use AI to complete the same work in half the time. Who becomes more valuable? The answer is obvious: the second employee. And this is where most people misunderstand the AI revolution. The future may not belong to people who compete against AI. It may belong to people who know how to work with it. Imagine a graphic designer who spends 5 hours creating one concept. Now imagine another designer using AI to generate ideas, create variations, remove repetitive work, and finish the same project in 1 hour. The second designer doesn't necessarily need to work 5 times harder. They simply have leverage. And leverage is where the real money is. Now here's the dangerous part. AI is becoming incredibly good at repetitive digital work. Writing basic emails, creating simple designs, summarizing information, analyzing data, customer support, basic coding, research, administrative tasks. That doesn't mean every job in these areas will disappear, but it does mean something important. The value of average work can go down. And when the supply of something increases dramatically, its price can decrease. That's basic economics. So if your income depends entirely on doing something that thousands of people or AI systems can easily do, you need a second strategy. Here's the strategy. Don't ask, which job will AI replace? Ask, which problems can I solve better because I have AI? That one question changes everything. Instead of competing with AI, use AI as your leverage. A marketer can use AI to research faster. A salesperson can use AI to understand customers. A creator can use AI to generate ideas and speed up production. A business owner can use AI to automate repetitive tasks. A freelancer can use AI to deliver more work without simply working more hours. The goal isn't to become an AI expert overnight. The goal is to become AI assisted. And there's one more rule you should remember. Never build your entire financial future around one income source. Because technology changes, industries change, companies change, and skills that are valuable today may become less valuable tomorrow. So build multiple layers. Your primary income, a valuable skill, investments, a side income, and most importantly, the ability to learn quickly. Because in an AI economy, your most valuable asset may not be your current skill. It may be your ability to acquire the next skill. So here's the uncomfortable question. If AI became 10 times better over the next few years, would your income become more valuable or less valuable? If you don't know the answer, that's okay. But now is the time to find out. Because the people who prepare before the shift usually have a much easier time than the people who wait until the shift happens. AI may destroy some jobs. It may create completely new ones. But one thing is almost certain. The way we make money is changing. And the biggest mistake you can make is pretending it isn't.